Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, hope everybody had a good long weekend. Thank you for everybody who has served. As we head into today, you gotta wonder if the Bears are going to be able to hold on to the tail of the tiger they just grabbed. And what I mean by that is this: they've broken down through weekly pivot. They've broken down through daily mid-band in the course of the overnight. What we are seeing, and I don't usually show you a 5-minute chart, but I'll show you our 5-minute chart from the room. What we are seeing is this. Here's your low. You're getting higher lows here. This is the 50-day that it held. It's back over our proprietary moving average. It's over 5-minute mid-band. Daily pivot, or daily mid-band rather, is here at 02 half, and it's testing the yellow line here, which is VWAP. Now, if you go up a ways, you got things like the new weekly pivot at 22.33, and this is some stuff from last week. You see the daily pivot up here at 24.42. Here's what I would say: the Bears need to get it done here, because the chances of them getting it done up here again, and you had a really nice failure here overnight, are not good. You want to hold the line down here. You want to progress and make some lower lows. And the reason for that is this starts to look like a head fake. These moving averages start to look like support. It looks like a move from the upper band to the middle band. And then, if you get over the top of last week's high, you can see the consolidation from last week, then it's going to run. So, hourly chart. Look, Bears need to close below 2,700. You have the potential here for long-term expansion. You got a ton of compression into long-term expansion. But that long-term expansion is only going to come to fruition if you defend key areas, like the daily mid-band, and create lower lows. So today is a big day for the Bears to see what, if anything, they have. What do they got? What do they got? I don't know. They've had a good night. They need to have a good day. What do the Bulls want to do? They want to go right back to the weekly pivot. They want to close above the weekly pivot. And then this just turns into another dip buy. And, off they go. The area we're testing right now, 0304, is the old double bottom. 2704 half. That goes back to here. 04 half. 04 half. If they can turn support into resistance and convert a lower low, then that is a bearish development. That's not too shabby at all. So there's a few different things I'm looking at this morning. I'm treating today like a Monday. We're going to let this thing open. We're going to see what it wants to do, and we're going to go from there. Okay? All right, everybody have a fantastic day. We'll put some stuff out over on social, and I will talk to everybody then. Trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.